English and Spanish Cafe with Cris and Isabella.
Hey, welcome back to English and Spanish Cafe with Cris and Isabella. If you want to speak English and Spanish naturally in real life, subscribe and learn with us every day. I'm Cris.
Hi, I'm Isabella, and today we're putting you in a real situation.
Yeah, today you're lost.
You don't know where you are, your phone battery is low.
And now you have to talk to a real person.
Imagine this. You're walking in a new city. You're looking around. Buildings, streets, people passing by. Everything feels unfamiliar. You stop. You check your phone. No signal.
That moment when you realize you are lost.
Yeah, not the best feeling.
So first, you need to get someone's attention. You say, "Excuse me?" Repeat after me. Excuse me.
In Spanish, perdón or disculpe. Both are polite. Use them anytime.
You see someone walking by. You hesitate for a second. But then you step forward.
And you speak.
You say, "Can you help me?" Repeat after me. Can you help me?
In Spanish, puedes ayudarme. Very polite, very clear.
Then you explain your situation. I'm lost. Repeat after me. I'm lost.
In Spanish, estoy perdido or estoy perdida.
The person looks at you. They smile.
And they say, yes, of course.
Now ask, where is the nearest bus stop? Repeat after me. Where is the nearest bus stop?
En Spanish, ¿dónde está la parada de autobús más cercana?
Or maybe, how do I get to the train station? Repeat after me. How do I get to the train station?
En Spanish, ¿cómo llego a la estación de tren?
Now, the person starts talking, but they speak fast. Very fast.
And you don't understand everything.
So you say, "Can you repeat that?" Repeat after me. Can you repeat that?
In Spanish, puedes repetir eso.
Or, can you speak more slowly? Repeat after me. Can you speak more slowly?
In Spanish, ¿puede hablar más despacio?
Now, they slow down. They use simple words. You start to understand.
Yes, now it's clearer.
You ask, "Is it far from here?" Repeat after me. Is it far from here?
En Spanish, ¿está lejos de aquí?
Or you can ask, "Is it near?" Repeat after me. Is it near?
En Spanish, ¿está cerca?
They point. Go straight, turn left, it's right there.
Now you understand.
You say, "Thank you so much." Repeat after me. Thank you so much.
In Spanish, muchas gracias.
You start walking. You follow the directions, step by step.
And finally, you see it.
The station. All right, let's do a full conversation. Repeat after me. Excuse me. Can you help me? I'm lost. Where is the nearest bus stop? How do I get to the train station? Can you repeat that? Can you speak more slowly? Is it far from here? Is it near? Thank you so much.
Ahora un resumen rápido en español. Repite conmigo. Perdón. ¿Estoy perdido? ¿Dónde está la parada de autobús más cercana? ¿Cómo llego a la estación de tren? ¿Puede repetir eso? ¿Puede hablar más despacio? ¿Está lejos de aquí? ¿Está cerca? Muchas gracias.
Now, even if you feel lost, you know what to say.
Yes. And every time you practice, you get better.
Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. English and Spanish Cafe with Cris and Isabella.
See you in the next episode.
This is Cris.
And Isabella.
See you next time.